Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc, class 5th. Today we are going to start our lesson number 1, the children of God. Munni Sparrow and Little Sparrow were friends. Their nest were on a big banyan tree. This big tree was inside the green forest where the student used to go for a study tour. Now what happened? There were two sparrows. One was Munni Sparrow, other was Little Sparrow. They both were friends and they built their nest on a banyan tree. That was the big tree in the green forest. Their student also used to come under that tree. So one day in the evening, both the sparrows looked up into the sky and sang. One day, it was evening time, both the sparrows looked at the sky and started singing. Gentle breeze here and cool breeze there. Who painted this sky above? Beautiful sky with lovely blue. The gentle breeze embraced those beautiful little sparrow and replies, painting of this beautiful sky is a wonderful gift of God. Red and blue and green together, painted by the Creator. So, both sparrows start singing that gentle breeze, cool breeze, listen to us. Who painted this sky? This sky looks so very beautiful. Blue color looks so very lovely. So gentle breeze replies to them that the little sparrows, this sky is a beautiful gift of God. God had created this beautiful sky. God has painted with red, blue and green color together. And He is the only creator. Now, the sparrows were happy. They looked to be called the loving children of God, the Creator. Sparrow, after listening this, the sparrow was very happy and they were also feel themselves to be loved ones, that we are the children of our Creator, that is God. Now, the student of the class 5th came to the green forest with the Ma'am Flora. All the children sat comfortably on the carpet. The little bird and the cool breeze came around them. Ma'am initiated a discussion with the student. Now what happened? The student of class 5th came to the green forest and sit under the same banyan tree. And they came there with their Ma'am Flora. Now all children were sitting on the carpet. The little bird and cool breeze come there. And now ma'am started to discuss the topic. Dear children, shall I tell you something? About 200 years ago there was a person, a great person who had the grace to call God his father. He was Saint Kuriakos alias Chawra. Saint Chawra always prayed to God calling Abba, my father. Now teacher is explaining that children, do you know there was a person about 200 years ago who has the power to call the God, who has the grace to call the God as his father. So who was that person? He was Saint Chawra. He used to call God as Abba during his prayer. Now God is almighty. How can we call him father? Children were in confusion. Now children were confused that God is almighty. Then how can we call God as our father? All people do not address God as father. Children, by which name do you address God? Now teacher said that children, not all people can address God as father. Now you tell me by what name you address the God? Ma'am, so shall we say God is our creator? God is our creator and father. So one of the students asked, ma'am, shall we say that God made us? God is our creator. So ma'am said, yes, God is our father as well as our creator. Both we can say God. So now, wow, we all are God's children. Children were happy. So after they come to know that God is our father, so children were very happy and with joyfully they said, wow, now we can say that we are the children of God. So do you remember our prayer song, Our Father who art in heaven? Now ma'am was asking the children, do you know the prayer, Our Father who art in heaven? One of the students replied, All the students replied, "Yes, ma'am." All shouted in chorus. So let us sing together. Children sing the prayer song. Now children sang that prayer song. So we pray to our dad in heaven, Divya explained loudly. It is time to go back. Shall we sing what we learned today? Now Divya asked the question. She was very surprised and she was also very happy that now we can pray to our dad who is in heaven. Now what teacher said, now it's time to go back, but let us recall what we had learned through a prayer. Then they start a prayer. You and I, God's own children, we are all God's loving children. God the Father, creator of us all, and we call him loving dad. Brother and sister, we are all, let us make a heaven on earth. Sharing, caring, loving now. God's own nature doing good. So this was the prayer what the student had learned, what the student had sang. It means that God, we are your children and you are our loving God, you are the Father, you are the only creator, and we all call you a loving dad. We are your children. Then let us make this earth also as heaven. And how we can make? By sharing, caring and loving. Now after singing this prayer, the children moved towards the pond. Little bird said bye-bye and flew away, and the gentle breeze went along with them. Now they moved towards the pond, and little bird said bye-bye to them. But the gentle breeze went along with them. Gentle breeze went with them only. So this was the chapter, the children of God. The moral of this chapter is that we all are the children of God. We all are the loving children of God. And God is our Father in heaven. He is the only creator of us. And we can make the earth as heaven but if we love others, if we care for others, and if we share the things for others. That means if we help the needy one. So this was the moral of the chapter. Now coming on to the question answers. The first question: what did the cool breeze say to the sparrows? So first answer is, the painting of this beautiful sky is a wonderful gift of God. I am repeating the question. First question is, what did the cool breeze say to the sparrow? So first answer is, the painting of this beautiful sky is a wonderful gift of God. Second question, how did Saint Chavra address God? Your answer is Abba, the Father. Second answer, Abba, the Father. Now third one, how can we make a heaven on earth? So your answer is by sharing, caring, loving. Third answer, by sharing, caring and loving. Now fourth one, what are the characteristics of the children of God? So there are three characteristics in the chapter, that is obedient, kindness, goodness. So this is your answer, obedient, kindness and goodness. So this was in your chapter only question answer. Now next chapter number 2 I will explain you in next video.